Good morning. I'm going to take my mask off so you can hear me. But just as a reminder, I want everybody to stay safe, stay protected, get vaccinated. Welcome to our county area. As you can see, the variety of products that we show here between spacks, screws, and gloves and hard hats and cold galvanizing spray, electrical wire nuts, automotive clips and screws, cable ties. We carry a full array of automotive hardware. We carry one of the largest lines of drill bits for steel and for wood. And I want to show you other items so you can see the variety of small screws that we carry for wood and steel, plastic, aluminum, sheet metal. What I'm going to show you, many don't know, that the line of brass that we carry. This is a flathead Phillips brass wood screw. We carry round slotted, round Phillips, flat slotted, flat Phillips, and wood screws, machine screws, nuts, washers. We carry a sheet metal screw line as large as any in the industry. Pan heads, flat heads, truss heads, oval heads. Starting in a number 4 diameter, they go up to 3/8 diameters, some of them up to 6 inch in length. Not to mention thread cutting screws. Machine screws, the same thing. This happens to be a Pan Phillips machine screw in stainless steel, but we carry them in all head styles, in all materials, brass, stainless, aluminum, nylon. Lastly, what I wanted to show you quickly is our line of grade 8 bolts. This happens to be a 5/16 by 2.5 grade 8 bolt, but we stock them up to 1.5 diameter by 18 inches in length. All applications, small automotive applications up to extremely large applications in automotive and construction. Well, I'm going to move on to some of the beef now. I just want to make you quite aware that we carry an extensive inventory in small screws for those types of applications. But we continue to move on. We carry a full line of galvanized forged hardware for the marine industry and construction industry. We're one of the largest distributors, if not the largest distributor, in structural stars that are used in mainly tying together older structures around the country, historic buildings. We carry a full line of SDS drill bits and SDS Max and Plus drill bits, as you can see, up to 48 inches in length. We're going to go into some of the galvanized hardware quickly as I can. I mean, we carry grade 8, hot galvanized hex bolts. As you can see, this is a 1 by 24 inch length, and we carry them from 1/4 inch diameter up to something as large as this. Similarly, the same thing in a carriage bolt. You can see the difference in head styles, hex, and this is a carriage bolt. And here is a lag bolt. Again, a hex head, but with a gimlet point for all types of applications. Construction, marine, electrical. Come with me. So our extensive line of galvanized materials, you can see, continues. We carry one of the largest inventories in Masonry Anchors. This is part of the Wedge line. Wedge and Mechanical Plastics are basically the same company, sister companies, and these are all for hollow wall applications. Wedge carries a line of what they call hang-tight anchors. Other industries call them something else, but they're for vertical and horizontal applications in wood, steel, and concrete, where you screw into whatever that material may be, and you can hang your threaded rod from it, 1/4, 3/8, or 1/2 inch rods. Again, we carry one of the largest inventories. All of these are Tabcon in plastic and nylon anchors for hollow wall application. We carry a full line of anchor kits for various applications. Over here, we carry sleeve anchors, both round head, hex head, flat heads, and wedge anchors, not only in steel, but we have probably the largest inventory of hot galvanized wedge anchors in the industry. Talking about threaded rod, we stock structural rods at 1554 grade, 55 and 105, 6-footers, 12-footers, both plain and galvanized, as well as a 36 material, mild steel material. We carry a B7 structural material, plain and hot galvanized. And as you see, this is even overstock of structural rods. These are mainly 12-footers, both at 1554, grade 55, and 105. I also want to point out to you that we do specials all the time. This happens to be a 2-inch diameter rod that's galvanized. It's 84 inches in length, with 2 heavy hex nuts and a structural washer sandwiched between the two and tack welded at one end. This is for a particular utility job that's going to be shipping out very shortly. And the last thing I'm going to mention to you is our extensive line of anchor bolts. We carry anchor bolts from 3/8 diameter, 6 inches in length, up to 1.25 inch by 48 inch. This happens to be 1 inch by 36. This is an F1554 grade 55. We carry one of the largest inventories of structural anchor bolts in the industry as well. Some are A36s, some are 55, some are actually grade 105. So I hope that was informative. Think of us not only for your large projects, think of us for small screws, think of us for applications in wood, in sheet metal, in steel. I'm sure we can help you, and we'd look forward to it. Thank you.